Hey everyone, welcome to my channel ASP.NET Core, and today I'm giving you another offer of my Udemy course, and that course is Clean Architecture in .NET Core 8 MVC with the real-time project, and that is only 399 rupees. The actual price of the project is 1999, but I provide you 80% off coupon, and that is the my coupon. But I'm providing you a complete URL in your video description box, so must to check your video description box. Let's cover the project topics. First of all, I'm giving you about the clean architecture, what is clean architecture is, and what is the core concept of the clean architecture, design layers for the clean architecture, how to design layers for the clean architecture, and the next one is concert booking project. So just to start the concert booking system in your clean architecture, that is must to see, that is the cheapest price of the project and with the complete video tutorials and all. So here I am going to give you first of all what is the domain layer and what what types of models you can add in the domain layer. So project entities, concert entities, and ticket and book entities in the domain layer. The next one is the entity relationship between the domain entities, the relationship between the venue, artist, and the concert, relationship between the ticket and the booking. So that is the relationship between the entities. The next one is the model validation. So here I'm going to give you a model validations between the entities, like model validation apply with all entities. So here we have a model validation. The next one is infrastructure layer for database connection. Create entity framework core based context class. So that is the infrastructure layer for the database connection. So create a entity framework core based context class in the infrastructure layer. The next one is connection string. So that is the web API part. So it's a web UI part. So create connection string in the web project, register connection string in web project. Okay. The repositories interfaces in the application layer. So generic repository interface, artist interface, venue interface, concert interface, booking and ticket interface, unit of work, and the data seeding interface. So that these are the covered in the repositories interfaces in application layer. The next part is the implemented repository in infrastructure. So these are the concrete class and inherited or implemented by the repository interfaces. The next one is configure identities, how to configure identity, and how to add and which part is actually contain the identity, or you can say which layer is actually contain the identity. The next one is the migration. So here we have a first migration. Okay. The next one is the controller in UI project. So create empty controller for the projects. Okay. And services for application layer. So how to connect with the application layer to the UI layer. So here I'm going to design services for the application layer, like interface and implementation for the venue, artist, concert, and booking service, and the ticket service as well. The next one is the utility service. So here I'm going to use utility service, like utility interface implementations and all. The next one is the controller action methods with the views. So here we have a venue controller with views, artist controller index and create, artist edit and the delete method, concert controller part 1, 2, 3, 4. These are the controller action methods and their views. Setup theme for the projects. So I'm going to set up a Bootstrap theme that is the freely available on internet. The next one is access rights for the project and add role and default admin. So add default admin for the project, call seeding service in the program.cs file, apply access rights in navigation, apply access rights at controller level. And the next part is data feeding using admin access. So bug fixing, add concert data feeding, and last one is the home page design with functionalities. So there are concert booking system, and in the concert booking system I will provide you a complete concert booking system. Okay. So thank you guys for watching this video, and keep watching all other videos, and must to check your link of this project and the complete course with the offer that is 80% off. It's only 399 rupees. So thank you guys